Ah, yes, a nice clean bench. Looks like I'll be taking a little bit of a break. Or will I? Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. Welcome to the new year. Yeah, so let's make everything bigger and better. So today I have a little bit of an unboxing to do. A couple of things came in that I'll be doing some work on and doing some more building. So I ordered another slab of basically a body blank. And this I got from, I've been ordering from Exotic Wood Zone. You'll find them on eBay if you choose to. And let's see here, find out where this is going to be opened at. And let's see here. I think I'll do this side instead. So I've been ordering from these guys a lot. I like their product. It's pretty good. I really haven't had any problems with any of the wood itself, the building material that I've been using to make my bodies with, at least the bodies that I've been making. Now this is a piece of basswood. Wow, I can probably get like 2 guitars out of this. Shit. Alright, so I'm going to cut this without going through and hitting the wood itself. Okay, they really packed this thing up well. The bad thing is, if this ever hits the corner or hits the ground or something, you know, it still might damage. Alright, so real nice wood figuring in this. Okay. Yeah, she's got a little dust all over her. Alright, I'm going to remove this from the box. Put this off to the side. Make sure it's not going to fall on the floor. Put the box off to the side. Alright, so here she is. Like I said, this has got some nice figuring in it. This is 3 pieces basswood. Got some weight to it. And a little bit of glue on there. So I am going to have to do some sanding with this. Let me go get my template to see what's going on. Alright, so this is my Telecaster template. This is a 25.5-inch scale length. It's going to have a tele neck on there, but it's going to be built a little bit different than what your normal Telecaster will be. So I have some plans for this that I'm going to change things around with it and still have the Telecaster feel, but different as far as a configure of tones go. Yeah, so you're going to have to stay tuned for that and see what I come up with as far as this guitar, this build goes. So I'll have to cut this down, you know, probably here and here, and make sure, let's see, I don't want the split to be in the middle like this. I want to, so we got a split here, so yeah, I'll just kind of do it this way. That way this neck pocket is on a solid piece of wood, not in between 2 pieces of wood. Mount this down, do my rough tracing of the template, leaving a little bit larger than what the template is, and cut it out, hit it with the router, get rid of all of the extra, do the sanding on it, and yeah. So this is what it is. This is what I'm going to be doing, and this will be one of the next projects for the new year. So let's check out something else that I got going on. Alright, so as you can tell, it's a guitar body. Yep. So what I ended up doing is finding this online, and I am going to end up doing a custom build, well, custom paint job with all of the extras added to it. The Eric C. Art of Noise way. This is really not anything like spectacular or special, but it's a good platform to start building and doing something else. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Did a nice wrapping job on it, not too bad. Even put in one of the little gel packs for moisture. Let's go ahead and get all this out of here. You know, I'm a big fan of bubble wrap, so nice wrapping. I could spend like a long time unraveling this, but I don't think I have to. I'm going to do it the easy way. Alright, so here we go. So what we have here is a Dean guitar body and neck, just a husk. And it's in very good shape. I mean, the neck is not bad at all. The frets are in very good shape as far as wear and tear goes. They do need a good cleaning. The nut probably needs to be replaced. It's probably plastic. No cracks in the net pocket whatsoever. It's got a real nice neck to it. It's a little bit on the fat side, but it is thin. It's not bad at all. And then here is the body. The body is in good condition. There's a screw stuck inside there. Let me get that out. Let's see how these guys pulled it out. Yep, a little screw. Another one I can add to my collection because I saved these guys. Never know when you're going to reuse them or need to use them again. So let me put this on my magnet for loose screws. That way I don't have it rolling around the table over here. Alright, so we flip this thing around. It comes with the cover, so that's nice. I don't have to custom make one, and it's in very good shape. It's not all scratched up and shit. The body is in pretty nice shape as well. It's got some smudge scratches, nothing really heavy going on. Some little bit of a rash going on over here. The top of the body is not bad at all. It seems to look pretty good, but if this was all black, I'm sure I would see a lot more scratching in this area here. So it is somewhat of a arch top, and it's pretty nice. I mean, it's not really bad. I want to keep that arch top. You can tell that there's a pretty much of a solid line right over here going around. I want to keep that solid line, so when I do my sanding, I'll be using the pad on my DA sander. Now, I don't have to take this down to bare wood. I'm going to use whatever's on here as a primer. This way I don't have to buy any primer and waste, you know, primer doing this. Strap locks are here. I've got tuners, not a big deal. Still has the plastic over the truss rod cover. Nice Dean logo on there, which I can keep and not do anything to destroy that, which works out pretty good because this headstock is in fairly good shape as far as clear coating, no chips and everything else. I can polish this out and leave it a Dean headstock, but put my logo on the back of the headstock, basically just because I'm customizing it, not because I'm rebranding it. And let's see here. Yeah, I mean, she's pretty nice. She's not bad at all. Now, the guitars that I rebrand are the ones that I replace the neck on them. So the body is, you know, if it's an Epiphone body, then it's an Epiphone body, or if it's a LTD body, whatever. But if I replace the neck on there and I'm changing the style of the headstock and everything else, I will rebrand it with my logo completely, but I will still refer to it as an Epiphone when I list it online. That way, people know that, well, it's an Epiphone body, but the neck is, a brand new neck. This, since I don't have to do anything as far as the neck goes, it looks all right to me. And let's see if I notice any twisting or anything going on. And no, she's pretty fucking straight. So I don't have to worry about that at all as far as this neck goes. Like I said, it's a kind of a chunky but flat neck. This would be a nice player. So we got a scarf joint over here, a lute over here. I could save that serial number. I am going to respray, sand down and respray this neck. Kind of see the outlines of the tuners on here, which look kind of like a Grover style tuner. I have to check my supply to see what I have as far as Grovers go. Not too sure of the color or how I'm going to customize this. So we have probably a three-way switch here, and we have volume, tone, same thing as basically a Les Paul configuration. And I have all the parts to put this thing back together as is if I really wanted to. But no, I want to do a little bit of a customize. So what happened over here on the neck? Well, that's something that's in the fretboard. That's not the fretboard being damaged. That's just something that's there. Neck edges on the fretboard are a little on the sharp sides. You know, the wood itself where the binding is. So I'm going to have to adjust that. Is that a binding? Nope, it's not a binding. It's just the fretboard itself. All right, so now I have, let's see, I've got two bodies that need to be refurbished, and then I have two body blanks that I need to build with. So all the guitar necks that I have sitting in the other room that I've been just sitting on for I don't know how long, I'll probably be using them all, which is pretty good because now I can go get more. All right, you guys take it easy, have a good one. Well, 2025, the next projects that are going to be starting up this year.